So guys, I am back. We just arrived at Wasini, and so we're going to take a boat ride to our tour starts here. Okay, you can see have all these boats and everybody's ready to pole. Nilikuwa nanunua kofia. Oh, okay, sawa. Okay. All right. So let's see how this goes. All right. So I think this is it. Here. And this is one of the tourists. All right, new terrace. Where are you going to, and where are we going? Where are you going to see?
I have no clue, but hello viewers. We are somewhere very close to the border of Kenya and Tanzania, and it's one of the most famous tourist destinations because it's right here, a place called Wasini, where you see a lot of marine life as well as just enjoy part of the ocean. So I'm also here to try and see what I can discover. So far so good. You can pan the camera to show them that there are even other boats, other tourists like us, and that's the host.
Hi viewers.
What you gotta say?
Hello, thanks for coming back to watch my videos. This is ED Adventures. Like I promised, today is gonna be a good day. I'll be showing you quite a number of good stuff from Kenya, from Diani, Wasini. So come with me, and I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, so we are just at the vacation spot where we'll be leaving from. The weather is really nice. We are sweating, but that's not very unusual because of the humidity. But other than that, it's pretty nice. As you can see, there's many of us going to different boats, ready to take this trip to that island over there, island called Wasini. Okay, so you...
And because it's really hot, it's important to wear some sunscreen. That's to protect your skin from the harsh sun, because it's really, really harsh. So, yeah. I already put some, but let me add some more just to make sure that I'm well protected.
Hello.
We can turn it off for a minute. So we just left the dock and we are headed to scenic. I'm not going to be saying much. I'll allow you to enjoy the view Okay guys, if you look across, you'll get to see Wasini Island.
Nafikiri utakuwa unatueleza wapi tutafanya nini? Baadaye.
Welcome on board. Before I proceed, my name is Sheriff. I will be your snorkeling guy and our lovely Captain Suleiman. And our boat is Aisha. Don't forget the name of the boat is Aisha. Where we start our journey is Shimoni, and this is Wasini Island. Wasini Island divided into two villages. That village Kwiro and that side Wasini village. On the way we try searching for the dolphin, but for the dolphins not guaranteed because they are mammal. They go one place to another searching food. If you are lucky, we give you enough time until everyone's at park. After spotting the dolphin, we go straight to Kisite Marine Park, last island in Kenya, where we took our lovely snorkeling. After all activity done, we come back to Wasini village, where we took our nyam nyam. For the nyam nyam, they serve fish, chicken and vegetable. You choose one, company with coconut rice, coconut sauce, cassava, seaweed and chapati. And also they serve extra menu out of your package. They serve langosta, calamari, shrimps and octopus and a plate of platter and etc. We take order in advance. Are you okay with fish or chicken?
Nyam nyam.
Nyam nyam.
What is nyam?
I'm going round to take your order. Okay, akuna matata.
All right. What is nyam nyam anyway? nyama.
So what's the order?
Wasungu wako na shida huku. These English people. Because of the sensitivity of their skin.
I'm telling you.
Which part of Europe you come from?
Huh?
Which part of Europe you come from?
I don't even know. I'm confused.
Yeah, guys. So that's what's cutting right now. On that side is that side. Famous Wasini Island. Wapi naandika sioka? Ilikuwa Shimoni.
Oh my gosh, you have to call him after he gets here, right?
Samaki ama kula?
Takula samaki.
Samaki. Sawa.
Samaki na nini?
Samaki hiyo itakampaniwa na coconut rice, coconut sauce, cassava, seaweed, chapati na crab. Alafu kuna hizo extra menu hizo. Sasa kuna octopus, kuna hiyo squid, kuna shrimp. Shrimp wana charge per plate 2,000, octopus 1,000. Iko sana hiyo. Sawa, karibuni sana.
Hawana ugali eh?
Ha?
Ugali hapo. So mimi nakula samaki na chapati.
Sawa. Hizo zitakuja kama buffet.
Oh, tunachagua kila sasa. Haya.
Sasa hii tunaenda behind this island huko. Huko ndo kuna hiyo marine park. Sasa hii tunajaribu kuspot hizo dolphin.
Aha.
Okay. Those are so many. So many. Back. That's a baby.